In a fevered fourth quarter, a legendary athlete enters a tunnel of focus where PER soars and QBR spikes. His routine blends breathing drills, whispered mantras, and a chill water splash that sharpens every decision. What if he seals a 60-yard strike or a legendary comeback that reshapes a season? Hidden stats flash by like trivia quizzes, revealing underrated greatness, surprising draft busts, and the truth about clutch influence. As the clock bleeds, the cliffhanger lands. Can he finish the comeback, or will the discussion explode in the comments?